Hi everyone, Ray here. On my video about UITF investments, merong nag-comment na hindi daw siya maka-invest sa BPI UITFs because of his risk profile. Currently kasi, most of the funds available would require at least a moderately conservative risk profile. On this video, ipapakita ko kung paano i-update yung risk profile nyo. Dito sa browser, log in to your BPI online account. Then, click Invest. Tapos, dito sa baba, click Update under Risk Profile. Select UITF, then you can update your profile here. Click Confirm, and there you go. Risk profile successfully updated. Click OK, and here you'll see kung ano yung na-generate nila na risk profile mo. For me, ang lumabas is moderately conservative. Pwede nyong i-update ulit by clicking this button. If you scroll down, you'll see asset allocation mix and mga funds na pwede mong investan and deposit products based on your risk profile. You may learn more about these by clicking More Info. To know how to invest on UITFs on the BPI app, don't forget to check this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something on this video. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos in our release. Thank you guys. Bye!